we're working on this Jeremy's truck today. Right there. This freight liner, we're working on it. Over here, the brakes. Slack adjuster. Right there, if you can see that right there. That's the slack adjuster. That's the hub. It was frozen. We had to heat it up to get it off. That controls the brakes for that side. So we took all this stuff off. You see the washers. Had to use a torch, chisel, and all that stuff to get it off. And me and Jalen, this exhaust right here, the bracket was broken right there. So we put a new bracket on. And it had a pipe that was too long for the body. So we're gonna put another pipe, a shorty pipe on it. Shorty pipe. How come the thing goes out, Jim? Oh, you gotta hit it again. It'll go out. What are you doing, Jalen? Oh, we gotta put that radiator cap. Open the hood, we gotta put his new radiator cap on. Yeah, this is the Tryus freight liner, one of them. So we bring it home on the weekends, and this is what we do. That radiator cap, you could take it off. That one right there. We got a new one. It's in the box.
Because you're going out on November the 11th because you got the tickets for the Flashback Friday event with Keisha Cole, Jacket Head, and more at MJ Pack. So congratulations. What's your name?
We got all our tools.
Hey, Charmaine, where you calling from?
East Orange.
Generators.
Right down the street for him. You have a good time, okay?
All the stuff.
Yes.
All right, that's the ticket
Welders,
of the day. And we got another pair
workbench full of stuff.
320, Charmaine. 107.5.
Oh, we got Jalen over there. He's changing the radiator cap over there. You gotta push it down, Jalen. Get it off. We gotta push down. You gotta climb up on the tire, probably. Alright, we're gonna suit up. We're gonna get this done because we don't spend the rest of the day on this. We spent a lot of time on this already. There go the spline right there. One right here. It was hot, so we put it in a bag.
All-wheel drive is more than just a beautiful SUV. It's a labor of love. Tested, trusted, Toyota. Now through Columbus.
That's the culprit right there. It was locked up.
Or check out viatoyota.com for big savings on Toyota's model year-end offers. Toyota,
slack
let's
adjuster.
go places.
Pre-collision support, not a substitute for safe and standard driving practices.
Don't get scammed, New York City. Foreclosure rescue scams are common and widespread in New York.
It's the new one.
AGSCamHelp.com from the New York City Attorney General provides New Yorkers with honest and accurate information
new
about
one.
the mortgage modification
That's the old one.
foreclosure process.
Right there.
BLS.com
Change and put that one.
or tips on how
We're
to
gonna adjust
avoid
his brakes.
foreclosure rescue scams.
Then we're gonna put these plugs in right here. The front wheel bearings. Leaking a little oil. Right there, they were leaking oil in the tire, just a little bit. I tried to put some sealer around them on the plugs and push them back in, but that didn't work too well. So we had to buy new plugs. Alright. Me. Gotta put all this stuff on. Alright. Peace.
I took that stuff that I used to clean that truck.
Huh?
I took the stuff that I used to clean that truck.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's what he should be doing. He should be cleaning the inside of his truck. All right.